Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherry. So if you are new then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me if you do this for me. So today video is basically about affordable makeup products that every beginner should have. See, अगर आप interested है makeup products लेने में and you're a beginner and you don't want to invest much, then this is the video for you. आप ये वीडियो को ज़रूर देखिएगा क्योंकि इसमें मैं बताऊंगी कि आपको क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स लेने चाहिए सबसे पहले और क्या नहीं लेने चाहिए, क्या किस में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, किस में नहीं करना चाहिए. सो यस, और जो मेरे पास प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं होंगे वो मैं यहाँ पे पिक्चर पॉपअप कर दूंगी विद द लिंक सो दैट यू कैन गो एंड चेक आउट देयर डायरेक्टली. एंड yep, let's just get started with today's video. The primer. Okay, so it's not compulsion, like you can go with the primer if you have to keep your makeup for a whole day. It would be great अगर आप moisturizer के साथ जाते हैं तो, because what primer do is, you know, you just minimize your pores. That's what it does. So yeah, that's not a compulsion because मेरे पास भी primer बहुत time तक नहीं था starting में. It's just that I have bought this one. It's from My Glam and this is how it look like. And this is a tinted perfection base primer and pore minimizer. So this is like little bit expensive, but you will get of course discounts on My Glam app. So let's start with the foundation first. The first I have is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 warm nude, and this is how it look like. So basically this is the larger one which I have, and second I have is this mini one. ये वाला foundation आपको बहुत ही budget friendly हो जाएगा, like you can just go for it because it costed me of something like 238 or somewhat. I'm gonna mention price here so that you can check out. So yeah, this is how it is, and this both are same basically. It's in the shade 128 warm nude. If you are looking for something lightweight, then you can also go with the BB creams. This is how the BB cream look like, so you can just go with this also, and I'm just gonna mention the price here so that you can check out. Basically वो BB cream 70 to 80 rupees का आपको cost होगा if you know order from online, like from Nykaa or from Purple. So basically this foundation give you a higher coverage you want. So in like wedding, if you go, or you know you just want a highest texture and coverage, then you can just go with this. So yeah, I prefer this, and even right now I have applied this foundation only. So foundation के बाद आता है concealer, and I go with this Swiss Beauty concealer, and if you can see मैंने इसको ख़त्म भी कर दिया है. So this is how it look like. This is super budget friendly. You will get this in 199 and I'm in the shade 05 medium moin. So of course you will get discounts in the Purple or Nykaa if you order from there, and this also give a highest coverage in this price range. This is a really good concealer. I would highly recommend you can just go with this. So yeah, you can select your shade. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे shades available है. And second is this Maybelline one again concealer. You can go with the one, but this is the super budget friendly. What we have is this Maybelline Fit Me compact, and this is how it look like, because after concealer and foundation we need to set our face. So this is the perfect compact powder. You can go with this. This is in the shade natural ivory, and it's like मुझे ये cost हुआ था something 200 में maybe. I just forgot the price, to be honest. I'm just gonna mention here as I said. So this is how it looks from inside. Most ख़त्म होने आया ये, and यहाँ पे एक मिरर भी आता है जो मैंने like मुझसे टूट गया है. So yeah, you can just go with this Fit Me one compact because this is super affordable. Yeah. So next comes the eyeshadow. So what I have eyeshadow is this one. This is the Manish Malhotra's palette, and it's in the shade Enchante, and this is how it looks from inside. Basically it have like, you know, whole multi colors basically, and it have also mirror here. ये बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है. So yeah, and second I have is this a big eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks from inside. Like it have all the colors in it. It have like 68 colors maybe. Sorry, it have 88 colors. So yeah, we have all colors in it. You can just go with this and this, but I'll suggest that you should go with Swiss Beauty one, because if you're a beginner then Swiss Beauty वाला ज़्यादा affordable पड़ेगा आप लोगों को. So आप ये palette के साथ जाइए, and I'm also thinking to buy one from Swiss Beauty. because I have heard a lot about the Swiss Beauty products. Like, they are so affordable and genuine, and the quality is really best. I own concealer of Swiss Beauty, and that's amazing because that is so pigmented. I already know that. So now comes the brow part. Okay, so I do not own a brow powder thing from आधे साल तक मैंने कोई भी ब्रो पाउडर नहीं खरीदा था मेरे लिए, बिकॉज आई वॉज अ बिगनर. बट आई यूज टू नो दिस वन हैक एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो गो विद दिस. वॉट यू हैव टू डू इज टेक एनी आई शेडो पैलेट, एंड उसमें जो ब्लैक कलर होगा, जस्ट अप्लाई दैट ब्लैक कलर इन योर आई ब्रोज, like with the help of a brush, a flatter brush. But let me say one thing, that you need a practice in it. If you will do, like, you know, sincerely and nicely, then you will get it and you will know that how to do. But if you will do in a hurry, then it's not gonna work it. So what I own is this My Glam Stay Defined brow powder. Like, this is 2-in-1. It have eyeliner also and a brow powder also here. So but this is like little expensive, again 1095 ka, but you will get discount, as I said, in a My Glam app if you will go and shop there. So yeah, but still I would recommend that if you are a beginner and if you don't want to invest in brow thing, I would suggest that you can go with the eyeshadow hack. Now comes the eyeliner, and I think eyeliner हम सबके पास ही होता है. So what I'll suggest for the eyeliner is this Lakme one. This is how it look like, if you know, and ये आपको 120 या 130 का मिल जाएगा, and it's just look stunning. This is like a matte eyeliner, Insta liner, water resistant eyeliner. Okay, so I want to say one thing about it, that it is not a waterproof eyeliner. It is just normal eyeliner. It will give you a really good finishing. If you can see on my eyes, I have applied that only, and it's just like, I liked it. I like the texture basically. So yeah, it's mattifying, as I said, and it is a good eyeliner. Of course, a budget friendly, you can go with this. Now comes the under eye setting thing. Okay, so this is also again a hack which I do, and it just really works for me a lot. Like, as a casually मैं कभी भी बाहर जाती हूँ, then it would kind of work, but ये makeup के साथ really अच्छे से work करता है. So what I do is, after applying concealer, I just apply this powder for set my eyes, like, you know, 1 minute और 30 seconds. इतने टाइम तक आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो आपके अंडर आइज पे, so that you just get a really good finishing, and आपका अंडर आई भी बेक हो जाता है. अब you can just go with this Pond's powder. I think ये 20 या 30 रुपीज़ का मिलेगा. ओके, ये 10 रुपीज़ का ही है. So yeah, this is so good, so affordable, so budget friendly, everything. So next comes the contouring. Okay, so again, as I said, when I was a beginner, I don't used to buy all the makeup products. धीरे धीरे करके मैंने सब लिए. So this is what I have for the contouring. So it's like 3-in-1 again. यहाँ पे है contour, then blush, and then highlighter. This is so handy. I really like this one. I really like this palette. And basically what I used to do जब मेरे पास contour नहीं था, like contour kit, you can also go with the eyeshadow hack. Like, eyeshadow is such a saver thing, I can say, because you can also use your eyeshadow as a highlighter if you have a golden shimmery shade. That's what I used to do when I used to not have any makeup products like highlighter, contour thing, blush, and all. You can also go your blush with as a lipstick thing. I do this, like, basically even now if I go out, what I do is I just apply mascara, and I just apply my blush as a lipstick little bit, so that it just looks so natural. And lipstick, that's it. That's what I do when I go out. But yeah, you can just go with this all minimal thing and stuff. This is so you know, money saver thing. But yep, coming back to the topic, so basically you can go with the eyeshadow hack also, like a brown eyeshadow thing. You can just apply and do your contour thing. And yeah, for the highlighter and blush, I would recommend this Swiss Beauty one. This is how it look like. So basically it have a blush here, like 2 shades of blush here, if you can see, light and darker one. And this is the highlighter, 2 shades of highlighter, again darker and lighter one. So basically you don't need to worry if your skin tone is dark, then you can go with this also. If skin tone is light, then you can go with this also. Like, they have 2 options with them. So yeah, this is really budget friendly again. Yeah, I would highly recommend this one. Okay, so lastly comes the lipsticks and lip liners. So firstly, I'll just go with the lip liner. I have this one. This is again from My Glam, and basically I have like 2 to 3 lip liners with me and it's in the shade I think VSCO. It's in the shade VSCO, yeah. I think lip liners and lipsticks, again, we all have in our vanities. If you are not a makeup lover, still you will have a lipsticks in your vanity and bag, I know that. But still, I'll show you that which lipsticks you can go with. Like, I prefer lipsticks brand for the My Glam, and Sugar के lipsticks भी अच्छे हैं. So I love many lipsticks from My Glam. Like the first shade which I love is the Goddess, and I have ordered that because मेरा वो पूरा lipstick खत्म हो चुका था Goddess shade में, so I have ordered that. The second what I love from My Glam lipstick, it's in the shade The Good Wife. That is such a good and pretty color. It's in the pink color, so that's what I love. I have that, but I don't want to show you right now because it's gonna be too lengthy if I'll show you the lipsticks thing, so I'll just avoid that now. So this is the lipstick which I am wearing right now, like in my lips. This is in the shade Pie Hunt. Just get it on ₹99. What you have to do is, the link is in my bio. You can go and fill up the survey and you'll be getting the lipstick of just ₹99. So you can just go with this one. If you want discount on your My Glam makeup products, you can get 50% discount or 60% discount on your makeup products. I'm just gonna provide a link at my description box and the coupon code popping up right here. You can just go with this and you can get a discount. You can avail the discounts. So yeah, so by this हमारा वीडियो भी यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है. Like, I have showed every makeup product, every affordable makeup products that every beginner should have in their vanity. So yep, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if yes, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends, families and loved ones. And if you haven't subscribed it yet, please do it for me. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video or anything, you guys get notified. Please help me to grow here. If you like my content in any manner, then please share kar do ye video. I'll just see you on my next video. Until then, bye, take care.